Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and hit my 2k subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency in the previous 2 hour 1 hour what changes occurs in the Cardano cryptocurrencies. Oh my god, as you can see here, that's the live price prediction change in the Cardano cryptocurrency in the previous 2 hours. The change is a negative 0.03%, and the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies is $1.2 is the high price of Cardano cryptocurrency. Now the current price of Cardano cryptocurrency is $1.19 is the high price, the current price of Cardano. As you can see here, that's the live price prediction of Cardano in the cryptocurrency market. If we see the chart analysis of Cardano cryptocurrency, so it's a test tell us, so it's a jumping time of Cardano. As you can see here, in this period they start jumping upward, as you can see here. So it's the best time to buy a Cardano cryptocurrencies and make a good profit, as you can see here. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. What changes occur in the previous 1 hour in the Cardano cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, the last 1 hour result of Cardano cryptocurrency, the change is a negative 0.46%, but soon they are in positive. As you can see here, they are jumping upwards, so soon the change is in positive. The current and the high price of Cardano in the previous 1 hour is $1.2, and if we see the chart analysis of Cardano cryptocurrency, so it's tell us it's after a great fall of Cardano they are start jumping upward. As you can see here, what's your opinion about Cardano cryptocurrencies as they go upward more or not? Please share your opinion in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrency market.